Hi, welcome back to Pure Content Productions. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made an AI music video shine like a unicorn using tools like ChatGPT, DALL, Runway, and Suno AI. Let's get into it. So the idea of this video came as I was sitting with my daughter and I said, should we make an image of a unicorn? And she nodded, and I asked her, what kind of setting should we set it in? Should we set it in a forest or in a beach? And she said, in a diamond world. I started off by creating a couple of images in DALL inside of ChatGPT. I asked it to create me a unicorn in a diamond world, and we've got a couple of really nice images. Next, I turned to ChatGPT and I asked it to help me come up with the lyrics for a pop style music song about a unicorn in a diamond world. And the lyrics were great. They took those lyrics then into Suno AI. And in Suno AI, I asked it to make me a pop style song. I added the lyrics and it came out with a couple of different versions. And one of the versions was really great. I then went to Runway, and in Runway, I took those two images and asked Runway to animate them from image into video. The results were excellent. So we were quite excited by this point, and we put the couple of videos that we produced after downloading them into the timeline on CapCut along with the music. Already by this point you could see a music video beginning to come together. So then the next step was just to get the rest of the pictures that we needed to complete the video. So I asked ChatGPT to create images that were relevant to each of the lines inside of the song that had been created. And it created quite a few images. And then to download those images quickly, I asked ChatGPT to make a download link with all of the images as a PNG. And it created a zip file that included all of the images as a PNG, which were like all the images quickly downloaded to my computer. From there, the step was to take those images into Runway one by one. For the image to video generation for these images to video, I didn't use any prompts. I just put the image in and asked it to generate a 5-second video from image to video using Runway Gen-3. With all those animated clips complete, I downloaded them and brought them into CapCut, lined them up on the timeline, adjusted the timings towards the parts of songs that were relevant for it, and added a few effects here and there. For the captions, normally inside of CapCut you can use auto captions to help generate the captions, but that didn't work on this occasion, maybe because it's a music with the words that is causing it not to work properly. So I asked ChatGPT to create an SRT file which I could then download from ChatGPT and upload into CapCut, and it gave me the lyrics, and then I just had to line up the lyrics with each section where it was being sung, and I put it into a relevant looking style that matched the video. And that's it. Here's a sneak peek at the music video, and if you want to watch the full thing, I have a link in the description below this video.
In the world where the diamonds glow, where the streets are shining everywhere I go.
I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's been informative, and for more AI tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe, and here's another video that you most likely will enjoy watching too.